Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe for you guys today. So today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna do a curry deer. Anybody have deer before? Drop me a comment and let me know. Anybody never have deer before? Still drop me a comment and let me know. So curry deer is coming up in Selvin Kitchen, guys. A beautiful recipe. Yes people, so in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're gonna do a beautiful delicious recipe for you guys today. When you guys come on to Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So this is the deer meat what we have here. We already wash it already, we already clean it up already cut it up very small, not too small, because we're gonna curry the meat today. So this is all the season we're gonna use to curry the deer meat in Selvin Kitchen. Over here we have 1 white onion already fine chopped. We have 2 carrots, we have a half of red bell pepper, we have a half of green bell pepper, we have a piece of dry thyme, we have 5 cloves of garlic, we have a piece of ginger already fine chopped, we have 2 stalks of spring onion, we have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, we have 1 tablespoon of curry we're going to use to curry the deer, we have a teaspoon of brown sugar, we have some pimento grain. I'm already gonna crush them up. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna crush them up. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have 2 potatoes we're gonna use. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, a beautiful, delicious recipe we're gonna do for you guys. Yes, people, the first thing you're gonna do, I'm just gonna crush up this pimento grain. So now, guys, I'm just gonna season my meat now. I'm gonna put in the garlic powder with the onion powder. Get in everything there. The all-purpose season. I'm just gonna use my hand and just dig into it. So I have the lime still in it. It's the lime to give it that zest, to get out the rawness out of it. And now, guys, just gonna put in my vegetable oil. Then I have in my vegetable oil, and then after I'm just gonna put in the curry powder in it. Yes, people. So now I'm just gonna add in the curry powder. I'm just gonna make this curry powder brown off for around a minute. So I just put in the curry powder, guys, for around 20 seconds already. I'll make my curry powder brown off before adding my meat. It's optional. You can, guys, if you want, you can season up the meat without putting the curry powder. But this is my way to cook any type of curry. If I'm doing curry chicken, I'm doing curry goat, I like to brown off my curry first. But it's optional. You can season up your meat with the curry and put everything in the pot and burn it off. It's up to you guys. But this is the easiest way. So now I'm just gonna add in my meat now. Give that a nice stir, people. This is curry deer, people. Anybody don't eat deer before? As I said before, drop me a comment and let me know. Yes, people, so just add in the meat in the pot, give it a nice stir. You have to stir in all of that curry, all of that all-purpose season. You want everything to combine together with that meat.
Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel.
Yes, my beautiful people. So the curry deer been cooking on for the last 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the ginger, gonna add in the garlic, I'm gonna add in the one white onion. So I didn't add in the bell pepper, I didn't add in the carrot, I didn't add in the potatoes yet, so I don't have in the spring onion as yet. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use this spoon to stir that garlic and that ginger and that onion, everything to combine with this deer meat. As I said before, guys, anybody never have deer before, drop me a comment. Anybody have deer meat before, please drop me a comment on how you guys like it or how you guys don't like it. It's a beautiful recipe we're doing in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So sit back and enjoy this beautiful recipe. And guys, please hit that notification so when Selvin posts a video, you guys will get it. Selvin Kitchen.
Yes guys, so the deer have been cooking for the last 25 minutes. So now we're just gonna add in the crushed pimento. As I said before, guys, it's optional. If you want to add in the pimento grain without crush them, it's up to you guys. But when you crush them, it give you a bit better flavor and get a better taste out of it. So it's optional. If you don't want to crush them, you can put them in like that. Look at that, people. Beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen. Guys, please give me a thumbs up for this video. And please share and like the video with your friends and family. All of my new subscribers, them, thank you guys very much to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen, because guys, Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more awesome, delicious, finger licking recipe coming out. So hit that notification, guys. Hit that notification and please share the video with your friends and family, because Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new, guys. So I'm gonna put on the lid on that one, give it another 10 minutes before I add in the rest of the season.
Yes, my beautiful people, I wish if you guys was here to taste it. What I'm gonna do now, guys, add in the carrot, add in the potato, add in the bell pepper, add in the spring onion, add in the thyme, and I know we're gonna mix some oyster sauce, put a little bit of water in the oyster sauce. So when I mix it up, add in the oyster sauce, give it a nice mix, make all of that season combined with that curry, with that deer. I just take out a little piece of the meat and taste it if that meat is cooked, and I'm gonna turn on the fire very low to let that simmer down.
So blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette.
Yes, people, look at that, guys. That's a beautiful curry deer. I wish if you guys was here to look at this and to try this recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Beautiful. So I just add in my carrot and the potato and the bell pepper and the spring onion for the last 3 minutes. I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes. So I turn on the fire very low. Let it take time and simmer down. Why I didn't put them in first, I don't want them to put them in and then everything will mash up and then my food don't have no color. I rather like to eat my food and I see color in my food. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. My rice over here, already steam already. Some sweet corn. So guys, I'm gonna give this another 2 minutes and it's ready to go.
summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished, guys. Look at this beautiful curry deer. Look at that gravy. That gravy is so thick. It's so delicious. My mouth was dripping water. I cannot wait to dive down in this. I wish if all my subscribers them was here with me. We and you guys can sit down and dine together, have a drink, have some of this beautiful curry deer. Serve it white rice, sweet corn, cauliflower. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please send me a comment what you guys want to see me cook next. Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished. Just as you showed out this for dinner. I cannot wait to have some of this, people. I'm starving. My mouth is dripping water. I wish if you guys was here to have some of this with me. This is the curry deer. Serve with white rice. Serve it up with a sweet corn. Serve with some cauliflower. Look at this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. If you guys watching the video and you don't subscribe, guys, please subscribe and please hit a notification. When I post a video, you will get it called Selvin Kitchen. We have a lot more recipe coming out. If you guys want to be a patron, I'm going to drop the link. And stay safe, Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, stay safe, guys.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a